Pytorch runtime error. Trying to backward through the graph a second time, but the buffers have already been freed. I keep running into this error. Runtime error. Trying to backward through the graph a second time, but the buffers have already been freed. Specify retain_graph equals true when calling backward the first time. I had searched in Pytorch forum, but still can't find out what I have done wrong in my custom loss function. My model is nn.gru, and here is my custom loss function. Training code.
The problem is from my training loop. It doesn't detach or repackage the hidden state in between batches? If so, then loss.backward is trying to backpropagate all the way through to the start of time, which works for the first batch but not for the second because the graph for the first batch has been discarded. There are two possible solutions. Detached repackage the hidden state in between batches. There are, at least, 3 ways to do this, and I chose this solution. Hidden.detach_, or equivalently hidden equals hidden.detach. Replace loss.backward with loss.backward, retain_graph equals true, but know that each successive batch will take more time than the previous one because it will have to backpropagate all the way through to the start of the first batch. Example.
I had this error too. I was feeding in the same tensor as input midway in my model sometimes. By calling detach on that tensor, it got rid of the error. That tensor wasn't what I was training on, and I didn't want grad on it. Calling detach takes it off the graph, so it isn't considered by Pytorch backward.
One reason could be that either input or hidden is having its requires_grad equals true. If that is the case, you need to make that false and can be done as input.detach_ or hidden.detach_. Doing it in place.